What's going on down here? This light switch here, if it's really super dark and we come downstairs, I want to have a lit light switch there. And Mommy she actually wanted these can lights on a dimmer switch. Okay, but I was getting ready to do that before. If you've been watching some of my videos, I think I've included that by installing a dimmer switch, but I was going to install it here, but I ended up having to install it somewhere else because before I installed it, I started looking at this, and whenever you look at something like this, you want to see if these lights can turn on in a different location, and sure enough, they can. Right there. See? That means that switch and this switch over here are interconnected. These are called three-way switches, and you have to wire these up in a different fashion. You cannot take just a standard dimmer switch and install it in there. And I'm gonna have to go to the store, and I'm not even sure if they make a three-way dimmer switch. I'm hoping that they do a three-way dimmer switch. And if so, I'll put one right here. That way when we come down the stairs, I can hit the light, and if we're watching TV or if we're doing something else, we don't want the lights on, all of them at night at that bright, we can dim them down. I don't have to do anything with this switch over here. I could just leave this one. I don't have to even put a dimmer on this one. I could just leave the dimmer over on this side here. Okay, but I'm not sure if they have those because I've never done it before. And I'll go to the wholesale house and see, or I'll go to like regular hardware store, see if they have something like that, Home Depot, Lowe's, someplace like that, see if they have it. And if they don't, maybe they have one at an electrical wholesale house, commercial place where you go, and maybe they'll sell it to the public. And I don't know, I'm not even sure if they have that. If they don't, then I'm not going to do anything with that. I may take this switch at night when you come down the stairs. It's dark down here. If I don't have the lights on in the you know, coming down here, sometimes I come down here without turning those lights on. I could put a lit light switch there, so when I come down I can see that. So not sure what I'm going to do with that just yet. So those are more projects that I have coming up inside the house, and there's probably even more. And every time I do something in the house or anything outside, I'm gonna make a video of it and I'm gonna put it on my channel. So look for them on my channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.